Hi guys, welcome to the PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, you'll learn how to set up a click action for an element on PageFly. I'll take you through what a click action is, as well as the 5 different types of click action you can use. So why should you set up a click action? A click action helps improve your customer's experience by providing them with options to quickly access different parts of your store by clicking on an element. Click actions can improve your site navigation and therefore the conversion rate of your store. Okay, so here I am on my PageFly page, and I'm going to set up a click action for this heading here. Remember, you can't set up a click action for every element, just elements such as headings, icons, blocks, images, and buttons. So to set up our click action, I'm going to select the element and come to the General tab, and here under Action, I will see 5 icons. So these are my click actions, and I'm going to show you each one of these 5 individually. So we'll start with this one, the go to URL. If we click on here and then we click on this one here, go to URL, it comes up with a pop-up where we can type in the URL of the place where we want to redirect our customers if they click on this element. So we can simply type or copy and paste the URL in here, or alternatively you can click through your collections, products, pages and blog posts to find the URL of the place where you want to redirect your customers. So if I just choose this one here, and then select URL, and then to check this out we can publish and then live view, and if we scroll down to our heading and we click on this will take us to the new page where we have redirected our customers. Okay, so the second click action we have here is called scroll to section. We can use this click action if we want to direct a customer to another section on the same page. So to do that, we simply click on scroll to section, and then in the drop down menu here you'll see that all of our sections are called section. Now you can change the name of these sections, and we have a link in the description of this video to another video that tells you how to do that. But for now I'm going to click this section here, and then we're going to publish and check out on live view, and if we scroll down and click on the heading again, we can see that it scrolls us down to this section here. Okay, so the next 2 click actions apply to contact pages. So if we click on this element here, I can show you. We have this one here, send email, and the next one, call number. So we'll start with this one, send email. If we click on this, and then we click on this here, send email, we'll get a pop-up which lets us create a template email. So you can enter a destination email address, and if you want to, you can create a predetermined subject and email content as well. So every time a customer clicks on this element, they're redirected to an email app with this predetermined template. So I'm just going to fill out the minimum template here, just the email address. And then I can save mail, and I can move on to the next click action, which is call number. So I'll do that on this heading here, call us. And if we go to the 4th click action here, press call number, and simply type in the number of our business here. Now this is great for mobile users to instantly be able to call the number of your business, but it also works if the customer is using desktop as well. If a Mac user clicks on this click action, then it will open a call app such as FaceTime or Skype. While if another type of desktop user clicks on this, they'll need to set up Tel Protocol or install an extension that allows them to make the call. You can speak to our in-app live chat if you need help setting any of this up. So finally, I'm going to show you the last click action, which is called Open Lightbox. Now this is best for images, so I'm going to use this image here. Again, come to General tab and come to Click Action, and you can see here that for images there is 2 versions of Open Lightbox. The first one here opens an on-screen box with a full-sized image at the center, so I'll assign that to this image here. And the second type I will apply to this image here. So this type of lightbox opens a pop-up content window of a YouTube video or other store content, such as a collection, a product, or a blog post. So if we click on this, and then we can choose our content here. We have YouTube video, HTML video, Vimeo video, or store content. So I'm going to go with YouTube video, and scrolling down, I can enter the YouTube video URL here, as well as options down here such as loop, autoplay, mute, show controls, and animation. So I'm just going to mute this video, enable autoplay, and I'll show the controls as well. And to see the finished product, I'm going to publish, And check out the live view. And if I scroll down to the images, I can see that the first image opens up the Lightbox. And the second image opens up my YouTube video. Okay, so that's the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful future content. Don't forget to leave us any questions in the comment section below or reach us via our 24/7 in-app live chat for further assistance. To learn more about PageFly, check out our other video tutorials and visit our help center. Thanks for watching. See you next time.